If you're looking for a big, ultra-wide monitor without spending a fortune, the Gawfolk 34-inch might catch your attention. After checking out what it offers, I think it's one of the better budget, ultra-wide options available in 2026. For around $180 to $250, you're getting a 34-inch curved display with up to 3440 x 1440 resolution, a 1500R curve, and refresh rates that can go as high as 185 Hz depending on the model. That's a lot of monitor for the money. The biggest advantage here is productivity and immersion. The 21.9 ultra-wide format gives you tons of space for multitasking, and movies and open-world games look fantastic thanks to the VA panel's deep blacks and strong contrast. But there are some compromises. The stand isn't great. It's a bit wobbly and lacks height adjustment. Motion handling is also average, so competitive gamers may notice ghosting and blur during fast action. Plus, quality control can be hit or miss depending on the unit you receive. So, is it worth your money? I'd say yes if you're a casual gamer, content consumer, or remote worker who wants an affordable ultra-wide experience. But if you're serious about esports or professional color work, you'll probably want to spend more on a higher-end display. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech reviews.